Baby bus.
Care for animals. Welcome to the Animal Rescue Station. I'm the Animal Keeper Kiki. Let's use a drone to find out which animals need our help. Drag the center position and locate the injured animals. A burned sloth is found. An injured eagle is found. A frozen crocodile is found. Choose a truck and pick up the injured animals. Hoi! Hoi! Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Drag the animal onto the truck. Take them back to the rescue center for treatments. Let the animals move into the new dormitories. The eagle hit its head and got a big bump when it was learning to fly. Make an ice pack. Ice pack can be applied to reduce swelling. Her wing got injured as well. Fantastic! The eagle can fly again. The eagle likes to eat fish. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The eagle lives in the mountains. Goodbye, eagle. The forest was on fire and the sloth got burned. First, rinse with water to cool it. Wipe up the pus. Repair potion can help wounds heal better. The sloth has been bandaged. The sloth likes to eat leaves. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The sloth lives in the rainforest. Goodbye, sloth. The lake is frozen, and the crocodile is also frozen. The crocodile is saved, but it's still shivering with cold. Wow, those are crocodile eggs. The crocodile eggs will hatch more quickly in a warm nest. The baby crocodiles are hatched! That's great! The mommy crocodile and her babies are very happy. Crocodiles like to eat fish. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. Crocodiles normally live in a river or a lake. Goodbye, crocodile.